Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about the pointers in C programming language. I hope this discussion will be helpful for the students preparing for the examinations. What is a pointer? Pointer is a mechanism for indirect addressing. By definition, pointer is a reference to another variable in a program. Let us have a look at the syntax for creating a pointer variable. Type star pointer variable name. Let us take a few examples. Int star p. Now p is a pointer variable that can point to an integer value. Float star q. Q is a pointer variable that can point to a float value. Character star r. R is a pointer variable that can point to a character value stored in some other location. Next is the address of operator represented with the help of the ampersand symbol. Whenever ampersand is used ahead of a variable name, that will return the address of that variable. Let us consider a small program. Int g equal to 5, int star gptr, gptr equal to ampersand g. So ampersand g will return the address of g variable into gptr. This is illustrated with the help of the figure below. G is a normal integer variable containing value with address 2050. When we say gptr equal to ampersand g, the address of g will be loaded into gptr. So the address 2050 of g variable will be loaded into gptr. Whenever we say star gptr, we will be pointing to g variable. Let me repeat the underlining concept once again. gptr is loaded with the address of g variable. Because of that, whenever we use star gptr, that will be pointing to g variable. Why the pointer mechanism is so handy in C programming language? It's due to following reasons. Makes indirect accessing possible. A function can be made to return more than one value to the call function. Array handling using functions becomes simpler. Now let us try to relate. Let us take up an example. Main function. We have two variables, value 1 and value 2, initialized with values 75 and 15 respectively. Further, we are creating two pointer variables, px1 and px2. Then we are initializing px1 with the address of value 1, px2 initialized with the address of variable value 2. In the next line, star px1 equal to 1500. So 1500 will be loaded into the variable pointed by px1. So in effect, the variable value 1 is getting the value 1500. Next statement, star px2 equal to star px1 plus 250. So 250 is going to get added to the location pointed by px1. So 1500 will be taken and added to 250, and 1750, this sum, that will be loaded into the variable pointed by px2. So px2 is a pointer to the variable value 2. So 1750 will be loaded into the variable value 2. So let us print the results with the help of the two printf statement. Printf value 1 equal to %d star px1. So we get the answer as 1500. Printf value 2 equal to %d star px2. So we are going to get the answer as 1750 in this case. Now let us try to combine the concept of pointers with arrays. So let us create an array int a4. So the size of the array will be 8. because every location in an integer array is of size 2 byte. The individual array locations name will be A0, A1, A2 and A3. The addresses may be A0 2000, A1 2002, A2 2004, A3 2006. Now let us see how a pointer can be used to access the array locations. So let us have a pointer int star pr. Next we have to make the pointer pr point to the starting of the array. For that we can make use of the statement pr equal to ampersand a0. Since the first location of the array is a0, whenever we say ampersand a0, we are going to get the starting address of the array. So pr equal to ampersand a0, that is pointing to the starting address. If I say pr plus plus, the contents in pointer pr will be incremented. So currently we know the contents in pr is 2000. On the usage pr plus plus, 2000 will be incremented to 2002. So that means if I say star pr now, that will be pointing to the second location of the array A1. If I once again increment pr plus plus, from 2002, the address will be incremented to 2004. So if I say star pr, now we'll be making use of the pointer to point to the third member of the array, that is, we'll be now pointing to A2. So let us discuss an example. Main function, opening braces, int star px, sum equal to 0, I equal to 0. Int arx5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a pointer variable and an array by the name arx. Our next task is to make the pointer point to the array. Either we can make use of the statement px equal to ampersand arx0. Alternatively, we can do the same with the help of the statement px equal to arx. Simply by mentioning the name of the array, I can initialize the pointer with the starting address of the array. So once again, I can get the starting address of the array by the notation ampersand arx0 or by mentioning the array name. So px equal to arx, we are initializing the pointer with the starting address of the array. Then we are making use of a while loop to access the members one by one from the array. So within the while braces, we can see the statements sum equal to sum plus star px followed by px plus plus. So that will keep on incrementing the pointer variable so that first it will point to arx0, then it will point to arx1, then it will point to arx2, then it will point to arx3, and finally it will point to arx4, and each time the elements will be retrieved and that will be added to the sum variable, and once the loop condition becomes false, we will come out of the while loop with the answer 15, and that will be printed with the help of the statement printf sum of the array equal to %d comma sum. So in the final line, we are going to get the sum of all elements in the array as the answer. Let us consider an example where we will be combining the pointer concept with the function. The main program, main function, open braces, int ax comma by, int large num within bracket int star comma int star. So this is the function prototype declaration. Let us input two numbers. Printf input two numbers, scanf %d ampersand ax comma ampersand b1. Let us call the function large num within bracket ampersand ax comma ampersand by. So we are passing the references to the function. We are not passing the values. We are passing the address of ax and the address of by to the function. Now let us see what the function will do. Function definition for large num. So void large num within bracket, we should have two formal arguments. Both of them must be pointers. Since the address is passed to the function int star p1 comma int star q2. So we have two pointers ready for taking the references passed by the function from the main program. If star p1 greater than star q2, we have the answer for this case, printf largest number equal to %d comma star p1. Else we have the alternate answer, the largest number will be the one pointed by star q2. Closing braces for the function. So this is how the function are combined with the pointer concept. So this mechanism is known as call by reference function call. Instead of passing the values directly to the function, we'll be passing the references or the address of the values to the function in this case. Before we conclude, there are few exercise questions which you can work out. Question number 1. Write a program using pointer mechanism to count the occurrence of an integer in an array of n numbers. Question number 2. Write a program using pointer mechanism to reverse characters in a string. Try out the questions. I hope this discussion was beneficial to all of you. Thank you.